I just can't hold it in.
Woo! Summer makeup, pineapple glasses that I match Iza Matko, who came from the northern part of Slovenia. She found me on Instagram because I did this video, Advise My Style, searching for models, right? So she's like, oh, me. like, we'll be doing summer makeup with funky colors that I show you how you don't need much makeup to achieve a crazy look. Well, not crazy, no, not crazy, just like, oh, that was bad, we cut. First, the foundation, Summer Glow. Look at that, turn yourself into a kitty. But no, this time we need to go here as well, because Iza has red skin, she's hot, not used to the summer, because the northern part of Slovenia is not that hot as in Ljubljana. Vanilla Rose, tiny amount. Just where the redness is, you don't need to put it everywhere, you know, not everywhere. Like here, obviously we'll apply concealer, so concentrating this vanilla here and on the chin just to even out her skin. You need to remember something, like your skin will look best natural, not caked up with foundation. So we use foundation just to even out the skin tone, because obviously here was more red, here's white, and and we need to blend it in the neck, because Iza's face is lighter than her neck. Why is that? Because she wears SPF, maybe, or foundation with an SPF, who knows? To give her shine, I'll bronze her face with Pericone's bronzer all over. And as I said to Iza, it's not nice if you paint the face like this, you know. This is not the nicest technique, because it doesn't feel the best on your face. But the thing is that this really blends everything together, make a nice even application. And for all of you who think, oh, but what about micro exfoliation and stuff like this? Well, it doesn't matter if you don't cake up a lot of foundation, you know. If the foundation is moisturizing, then you just don't care. Because it's like a gentle peeling. It will sink in even more. Proper contouring. Pow, 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 pow. Because this is top. You see that it's slightly grayish. And it matches her skin tone. So nice. It's kiss and blush actually. You put it on the lips. But look, pow down. Here. Slightly more up than when her cheekbone is. So this is actually not contouring, but just giving dimension to her face. Even though she has a lovely bone structure, you know. I wouldn't need to do anything on it, just blend it in. This is matte as well, sort of, so it sinks in nicely here in the hairline, and then pow 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 here, making this part especially darker, and then fading it out towards her nose, so that I push this cheek slightly more in the back. Magic in a bottle, look at this. Magic here. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. And pow, pow, pow. Not too much, because it's a very pigmented concealer. Tapping it on close, not close to the nose, but actually on the nose, like here. And then down. Here's where she's most red. Down, and then slightly more like this, and we are done. I'll blend it here in as well, just to fade it. If your skin gets red, fight it with orange. If you put orange over, even if it will get red, it won't turn that pinkish, you know. We'll use a coral blush. This is all about coral colors today. As I promised you, summer makeup look. Going all over the eyelid with a light funky orange color. Just tap, tap, tap over the lid. Like obviously this part you leave out. You can go here with white over if you really want to leave the eyes, but I don't want such a sculpted makeup. I want something simple for the summer that you do really quick. Summertime, I want to make her look like a cocktail. So I'm just copying, I'm copying the colors she wears, she has on her shirt, on her top. This is blue, quite electric. And we'll see if this won't be intense enough, it will start turning green, which won't be a problem actually, if it will be a nice green. So let's see. Close to the lash line, just apply this as you would apply an eyeliner. This is such a simple makeup look everyone can do, and this suits all eye shapes. Just pull your lid up, look down, or whatever floats your boat. Here, like this, and it also won't melt that fast as an eyeliner, because that's a lot of powder on the eyes now. Oh my god, that was messy. Look at this. I'll need to clean. It's a very soft color, so when you do this, what I'm doing now, it just falls down. But it's usually like this with blue pigments, because it is very hard to do a good, nice blue color. Look, Photoshop, just tiny little strokes like this. Tap, 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 tap. Here you need to obviously use a darker color than here, because we contoured here. You don't need heavy brows in the summer, just give them a bit of color, and I'm making them more warm with Creolan's brow palette, filling them in. Because it's powder, this won't melt as well. Giving the lips a bit of color. You don't need to always define the lips with a pencil. Just take a lipstick. It's so easy if you do it for yourself, you know. Take a lipstick and just roll it all over your lips. No. It needs to be more coral. So I'll use the same color as I used on the cheeks. Kiss and blush. Look at this. Kiss and blush. Yep. Way better. Say mama now. Wait, mama. Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Here we go. Final touches. Blue mascara all over. Dal pogledam. The upper eyelashes. Just the upper. This one's clumpy already. Oh my. Now these blue mascaras dry out so fast. Ridiculous. I guess she has blonde eyelashes. This will show. Even though it's not a crazy blue color. This would look sort of normal. We decided to do the lower lashes as well, because her lashes are that bright that whatever I put on shows, so the eyes really pop. She looked like have stars in the eyes.